Are you okay?
Them we are set in my tweet, put me to sleep. So do you please, baby. Every time you think that you hot, nothing so nice.
Great, now we're on a fucking yellow. Holy shit!
I got that on camera. Should I tell them?
Yeah, we should tell them. Go. Well, careful, like we don't want to get hit because of that.
What are you gonna tell them?
No, we can tell them we have a dash cam.
How would
We
I
can see
tell
the video.
them?
Okay, you wanna go tell them? Hey, hey, hey! Jerky. Yeah, well, fuck you, you fucking bitch.
Emergency deal.
What the Lord, what are you doing? Jesus Christ, man.
Holy shit.
Start emergency deal.
Exactly why I didn't fucking do that. Holy shit.
It's off by now. Alright, look at that. I removed 4 bolts. It's helping. That's what you can do here at German Motor Works, if you know somebody. Okay, so we got that shield off. Now we have better access to the... This is what we're actually replacing right here. Get that the best we can.
Nossa, que fosse não saca.
Did you know?
Hopefully you win something with these tickets you got. Dude, what the?
Oh shit!
Whoa, dude.
You recording?
Dude,
No.
dude.
Yeah, this goose. Only a Tesla. Drive down the friggin' footpath, you idiot.
Trailer from Meg 2, the train. Perdona?
Who?
Ok.
Pontiac.
Bye.
25,000 feet deep in the trench. The connection ecosystem untouched by man. Whatever is down there.
Oh.
Make its way to the surface.
Oh, what the hell?
This is a bad.
Stupid shit. Hey,
Hey!
What the fucking idiot?
Wow!
Fucking great.
What the f?
Wow. Dear! Dear!
See that?
To the basics of love.
Wow!
Let's go to the boxes. Waiting nearly every moment.
Oh, Christ! Oh, fucking hell! Oh my god. Oh. It now. This is why I got the GoPro. I'm fine. I'm fine. I had to change the bike.
You didn't see the light green for me?
It went green, and then I guess I just didn't see you because the van was there, and then the hill coming up, it's hard to see over the hill.
But you're okay?
I'm fine, and the moped's fine. There's nothing there. How's your car?
It's nothing wrong with my car. I just want to make sure that you're okay.
Yeah. Okay. And you're alright, everything?
That's fine. I was concerned about you.
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you, though. I'm sorry.
Just be careful.
Yeah.
Be very close to the ground.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
That's alright. Be careful.
And I'm gonna. And we gotta go that way. I'm gonna go this way. Hold on.